We're here at 229 Marengo Avenue, a great building with one-bedroom apartments, nice balconies, very close to downtown Oak Park, River Forest, Blue Line, Green Line, and Metra. Let's go and take a look at an apartment. Downstairs on the first level we have an inner and outer lobby for security purposes and a buzzer system so your guests can buzz you to let them in. The ground floor laundry is nice and bright and clean, a pleasant place to come and do those important things. We're entering apartment 307. As we come to the entry area, we see a nice place to put a table. And directly to the left, we have the entry closet for your coats and an intercom. Back over to the cozy kitchen, we have a nice full-size stove, an exhaust above it, good cabinet space, and a full-size fridge. Over here we have 2 sinks. Makes it easy to keep things clean. As we look towards the good-sized living room, the living room and the bedroom have their own thermostats, good size, and we're going to walk out here to the balcony. This is looking east. Here we're looking west. Nice place to put a table and a couple of chairs and sit out and maybe have a tall, cool one and get some vitamin D. We're back in the living room. Really nice size, freshly painted. And let's walk around the corner to the spacious bathroom. And you'll notice that there's good space to put all your good stuff. To the left here we have closet space, and on the right we have quite a bit more closet space. As we turn around, we're going to enter the bedroom. Lots of room for a queen-size bed and all the dressers and things that go with it. And you'll notice we have 2 large closets. So we have 2 double closets in the bedroom. You know, maybe you want to put your winter clothes on one side and summer into the other. So back out for a final peek. Living room leading out to the balcony, kitchen, and out to the hall.